This head torch that I'm using is one I've been sent to review by BORUIT. I'll put a link in the pinned comments and description. But it's alright, it shines, you can see the beam on there, look. Anyway, we're coming into dock. It's docked. Hello there, how you doing? I'm out on a bit of a van camp tonight. I'm out with rough paddling and we're doing a bit of a van camp, so with a view to going paddling tomorrow. I'm at Drakeholes, and that's important because I've been sent an LED headlamp by BORUIT. Now, I've reviewed one of their torches in my shorts videos before. I'll just give you a quick overview of this. So in the box you get the torch, comes with a good length elasticated strap with some branding on it. There are some simple instructions. Does come with batteries, does this, which is a nice feature. Flip that open, 3 BORUIT batteries. You can angle the beam when it's on your head using that aspect. The strap is adjustable to fit big heads like mine and smaller heads like other people's. You have got one control switch, so high, low, red, flashing red. Now I have used this on the solar power on the solstice camp that we did, and I used the red light while we were camping. Might end up using that tonight actually, but the reason why being at Drakeholes is important is we'll be going through a tunnel tomorrow on the water. This will be my light source while we're on there, so we'll give it a good test out there. But it's quite a good light. I've used it, as I say, on that other camp and I've found it very handy. Right, gonna head into Drakeholes Tunnel. I'm on. Works alright in this tunnel. So that's on the bright setting. That's low. Then you've got red and then flashing red. But yeah. Oh, I've just seen a bat. How far down will it actually kind of light the tunnel up? Pretty much all the way to the end. You can see the beam moving there as I move my head. Yeah, alright. You see that bat? Or is it a bird? Here we go, look. That's a bird. Alright, this BORUIT head torch. I did just drop it in the canal and it's still working. So I don't know what the IPX rating is on this and whether it'll continue working, but so far it's alright. Nice little torch this. I'll put a link to the pinned comment and description. I'll put a link to it in the pinned comment and description. I'll try and get my words out. And yeah, so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks to BORUIT for sending me this to give it a go. Cheers.